情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。
就是我問好去山嗎？
哦，你說爬山嗎？其實我還蠻喜歡的，只是說我年紀越大，爬的山越來越矮了。
哦，我不一樣哦，我爬過玉山。
Oh my goodness, 你爬過第一高峰哦。
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's talk about mountains today. 山怎麼說？
山。
Okay, for instance, it's so comfortable to do some hiking right now. 這時節爬山很舒適。
這時節爬山。
東松松 OK, 就是舒服松松 That means very comfortable. 爬山叫做 kied山 That means to climb a mountain. And for instance, we talked about the Jiedˋ Mountain in Taiwan. Not only is it the highest peak in Taiwan, but also in Northeast Asia. 東北亞第一高峰是臺灣的玉山。
東北亞第一高嘅山。係台灣嘅玉山。玉山
That's again a mountain we're proud of, the Jiedˋ Mountain. Let's review some of these terms, including 山叫做山 the Jiedˋ Mountain 玉山然後要去爬山 kied山 And there you have it, another round of Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
是誰上來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.